Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a PR haul to share with you. Well, it's a PR unboxing. With these videos, I like to show you what I've been sent from brands. So being sent out maybe new products that they're just releasing, or like seasonal gifts as well, especially brands that I've worked with in the past and things. It's a really, really fun and exciting part of doing what I do. It's amazing and I'll never ever take it for granted because I get so excited as when I get a parcel through the post, because the majority of the time I don't know what I'm receiving or when I'm going to get anything. Because I get sent parcels randomly, I like to collect them all up so I can do a one unboxing video for you, because I know a load of you like to see what I receive, especially being a smaller YouTube channel. None of the products that I'm about to show you I've signed a contract with. I haven't agreed to receive products in exchange for creating content for them. Nothing like that. Obviously, these brands want me to try them, want me to maybe show them and talk about them and hopefully fall in love with them. So then I will go on and talk about them in the future. Especially one down the bottom here, which is Erborian. I love Erborian. I'm always banging on about Erborian and I always will do. So it's a great way for me to try products then so that I'm able to recommend things to you in the future. So let's start off with a WonderBalm. We've got an all-purpose natural balm for the lips, and we've got a all-purpose and natural WonderBalm, I'm assuming for the body. I'll get them out and show you. There's a little card that was sent here. It says your favourite award-winning balm, now in 2 travel-friendly sizes. It says Korean Beauty. This all-purpose balm for lips, face, body and hair. Can be used as a hand cream, cuticle moisturiser, makeup primer, makeup remover, eye cream. It just goes on and on. So yeah, a proper multi-purpose balm. Ooh, it doesn't have a scent. Let's try a little bit on my hand. Woo, on my knuckles. I love these type of multi-purpose balms. I use them literally on my cuticles, and I've always got one by the side of me by the bed. Yeah, that feels really nice. So this is the same, but more specifically for the lips. So thank you so much for sending these out to me. What have I got here? Right, I'll just open the big one first. This is by Kingsley. Massive box, and they've given me 2 products from their density range. So this is a stimulating scalp toner, invigorates and refreshes the scalp. And there's 150 mils there. And this is a preserving scalp drops, reduces hair fall and preserves density. 85 mils. So this sounds perfect for my type of hair. I've got androgenic alopecia. I use minoxidil and I'm on an androgen blocker called spironolactone as well. So take control of hair shedding. This is literally for me, isn't it? I wonder if they thought, oh, Claire suffers with hair loss. Or maybe not. For everyone on their PR list got sent this, but I feel like it was chosen especially for me. So the scalp toner helps slow hair loss. The scalp drops reduce hair loss. So it actually sounds like the natural version of minoxidil and spironolactone. If you're interested in trying the density products out for yourself, you can get 20% off site-wide if you use code DENSITY20. So no, thank you so much to Kingsley for sending those out to me. I got something that I've already drunk. I couldn't resist it. Essie sent me a really gorgeous little PR package. So before I show you the main items, they sent me a Mogu Mogu. I think that's how you say it. It's pink guava flavoured with nata de coco. It's got bits in it and I had to try it there and then. And then I was addicted. I just loved the bits. It was like bits of peaches or something in it. Yeah, it's just really nice. I wonder where I can buy them. If you know where I can buy them in a shop, then yeah, let me know. But I love that. And then they sent me some nail polishes. And these are really pretty colours. And here you go, so 2 polishes. So I've got a base and top coat. It's an all-in-one. There. And then I've got a jelly gloss nail colour. This is really pretty. I think this would be really nice. It doesn't look like it's going to be a pure pigmented nail polish. It looks like it's going to be quite sheer, which is really lovely. I think it'd be nice. I'm currently got stick-on nails on my hands. They don't last as long. They make my nails look worse than what they do when I wear gel nails. So I think these will be really nice to wear together, just so that my nails can look a little bit half decent. So thank you to Essie for sending them out to me. So the shade is Slushy Sun. Oh, we've got John Frieda. Lots of hair products. So I've got the Frizzies all-in-one extra strength serum, iconic multitasker, tames frizz, protects from heat and humidity and adds shine. I haven't used this in ages. Years then. And it says exclusive to Superdrug. I think it used to be really nice on my hair. From what I remember, I used to apply it when my hair was damp and then blow dry it. It didn't leave my hair too stringy looking. I've got really thin, fine, natural hair. Haven't always had that type of hair. It's got worse in the last couple of years. But when I used to use this, my hair was thicker. But yeah, so I've got another one. I wonder what that will be like now on my hair. Then we've got Frizzies, Miraculous Recovery with Ceramides, Daily Miracle Leave-In Conditioner, instantly detangles and smooths frizz for frizzy damaged hair. Actually, weirdly, you know, because I'm on medication to help my alopecia, my hair loss on my head, I've been on those two types of medications now for 9 months. Well, the spironolactone, I've been on it for 13 years, but I've had my dose increased then over the last 9 months. The new hair that's growing back, oh my God, it's awful. It's really curly and frizzy, more so in the front. Only way I can stop it is by straightening it. Maybe these will come in handy. And then I've got a curl nourishing cream oil, fast absorbing moisture for frizz-free curls. So who knows? My natural hair then from now onwards will be wavy. I would love that. I've got naturally straight hair. Then I've got Dream Curls Deep Conditioner, intensely nourishes and detangles curls. So a big mask. So yes, so thank you so much to John Frieda for sending these out to me. I'm going to keep them and see what my hair is like in, say, 6 months' time or so. What else have I got in here? I got Maybelline, I think. Yes. Is it? Is it Maybelline? Yes. This is the new Lifter Sticks, your facelift hacks, sculpt, bronze or contour for a lifted look. 97% agree blends effortlessly, butter soft blend. So they've given me 4 sticks here, which I love. I saw these and I was like, oh, I can't wait to try them out. And they've been sat in the corner there for, must be about a month or so, ready for me to like film this unboxing. I love the fact that I've got lots of different colours. So it'll be handy for when I've got a tan or when I haven't got a tan. They look really nice, don't they? I think those two there in the middle I'll probably have to give away. That one's a little bit too orangey and that one's a bit dark, but those two on the ends might work well. So a Lifter Sticks, multi-use face sticks, and I got them in shade 45, 30. The darker one is 85 and then 65 then for the more warmer one. So thank you to Maybelline for sending those out to me. We got Nivea. Get ready to revolutionize your makeup routine. They've sent me a 2-in-1 primer daily UV serum. Protects and smooths in seconds. SPF 50. High strength SPF. It preps, protects and primes the skin for a smooth makeup ready finish that doesn't pill. And you can find it in Boots, Superdrug and Amazon for £14.50. No, there's no scent. It's fragrance free. That's absorbed really fast into my skin. Oh, that feels nice. Quite tacky as well. So yeah, I can see how that would be really good for applying your makeup on top. It's an innovative light sunscreen that protects healthy skin against UVA, UVB rays and high energy visible light effects such as premature skin aging. So yeah, thank you Nivea. I've got another Maybelline one here. They sent me a grippy serum before in a PR mailer, but this time I've got it with the Colossal Bubble Mascara. Let's read about them first. Just to give you an idea of what the brands say to me, they say these products are provided to you on a complimentary, not for sale basis, and there is of course no obligation on you to review or post about them. It's a Tik Tok bundle. I wonder if you can still get it. Hopefully you can. I can't remember when they sent this out to me. Oh no! It's the first time I'm reading this properly. Okay, so it's Grippy Serum and Colossal Bubble for £20. It's a lash inflating mascara, and then you've got the primer. So yeah. So the primer retails for £10.99 and the mascara retails for £11.99. So you save a couple of pounds. Love the sound of this mascara. It inflates your lashes by 100%. Oh, it's a nice wand as well. I'm more excited about skinny ones these days than big ones. Can you see? Oh, it's swirly as well. Wow, 100% inflation. It's in black, by the way, as well. And then I've got another grippy primer. I wonder if my daughter might want this one. It's really pretty. Can you see? It's got iridescence. Can you see what it looks like? It's nice. Yeah, up to 24-hour hydration. So thank you to Maybelline for sending those out to me as well. Then I have got Elemis. Now this one is a little bit confusing. I'll get the products out. So I've got 4 products, and they're the Pro Collagen and Superfood Treatment Routine, a 4-piece collection, and it doesn't say where you can find it. Let's have a quick look online. Okay, ChatGPT to the rescue. QVC has a listing for this 4-piece bundle. If you've never bought from QVC before, whenever they do a lot of Elemis bundles, and they usually put them on a today's special value TSV price for a week before it goes on to their usual selling price. So you might be able to get this whole set for like £79 or something like that. After the promotion is up, then it goes up to like £150, but then you've got a saving anyway. Unfortunately, I've missed that promotion. It might still be available on the QVC website. I think it's just because my brain's been focusing on advent calendars, and yeah, I haven't really looked deeply into the products that I was sent as PR. But anyway, I have got the most amazing cleansing balm ever. I love this one. I absolutely love it. This is the Pro Collagen Green Fig Cleansing Balm. So it has all the goodness of the Pro Collagen. Melts your makeup off, but then it's got a really nice, subtle fig scent. It's really nice. It's not strong at all. Yeah, I love it. I really, really love that. And then we've got the Superfood Facial Oil, Nourishing Facial Oil. There. And we have got Pro Collagen Marine Cream Ultra Rich. Haven't tried this one before, but I actually might give this one to my auntie. I'll see. She loves the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, as do I, but Ultra Rich, maybe it might be more suitable for her anyway. But yeah, and then we've got the Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. This is really nice as well. I've been using like little smaller versions of that recently, little tubes. So yeah, so thank you to Elemis for sending those out to me, but I'm sorry to you lot for not mentioning them sooner. And then last one, Erborian. And they've come out with new CC creams. Look at this. It's CC cream, but with extra skincare. Colour correcting skin boosters. And they've sent me 2 shades that I love. I've got Door, which is my fake tan colour. And then I've got Clear, which is my normalish colour. And sent me 2 full sizes. I love this so much. I love it. I love the BB creams as well though, but I do love this CC creams because it's colour correcting. So you've got colour correcting cream, healthy glow, Centella Asiatica for soothing and calming your skin. So the new formula has the same texture and finish, but now with boosted skincare, 24-hour hydration, 3 times new shades. Oh, that's good, because that's one thing about the Erborian creams. They are quite limited in their shades, unfortunately. So that's good. I think they're listening to their customers. So, and it has 2% Centella Asiatica to soothe and hyaluronic acid to intensely hydrate. Encapsulated pigments that melt into the skin for a natural finish look, colour correction, redness, dark spots, etc. Evens out skin tone, revives radiance, healthy glow effects, smooths and blurs, does not settle into fine lines and wrinkles. And it has SPF 30 sun protection in there as well. Yeah, thank you so much to Erborian for sending these out to me. I can't wait to try them. Those are all the items that I was kindly sent. So thank you so much to everyone that sent them out to me, and also it's a huge thank you to you lot, because if you weren't following me and subscribing, then these brands wouldn't have a clue who I was, and yeah, I wouldn't be getting really nice parcels through the post now and again. So thank you, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.